Here is another bird for you to know unnecessary facts about. This is the magnificent frigatebird. They are a type of seabird that lives in a bunch of areas around South and Central America, specifically around the coasts of Peru, Brazil, even up through Mexico, and some areas in Florida. Now, the most noticeable thing about the magnificent frigatebird is that this is a female of the species. They do not have that big red sac, so the males use it for mating purposes. When they are ready to mate with the female, they do their mating display, which involves inflating that big red sac, which the females think is pretty hot. Now, these birds are, again, seabirds, so they largely eat fish, jellyfish, all that they catch from the ocean, but they're also kind of assholes. So magnificent frigatebirds, in addition to a couple other bird species, but we're not talking about those, they engage in a behavior known as kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is basically a behavior in which an individual from one species steals food from an individual, in most cases another species, occasionally within their own species, and they basically just harass their victim until the victim either leaves, in which case the magnificent frigatebird can steal the food that they were about to eat, or, in some cases, harass them so much that if they already ate the food, if the victim, which is usually another type of bird, if they've already eaten their meal, the frigatebird will harass them so much that they regurgitate the previously eaten meal. So the victim has been harassed to the point of regurgitation, at which point the frigatebird will go and retrieve that meal. Which is lovely for them, I guess. I mean, if you want to be lazy and do not get your own meal, I mean, regurgitated food is kind of what you deserve at this point. But yes, a very interesting, if a little bit of a jerk, bird.